Double clutch. Oh my god, this is so dumb. What?
Let's pray we don't hit anyone because they're gonna die.
Wait, why is yours faster?
Oh, yours is faster than me now.
Oh god, this is dangerous.
Oh shit.
He's catching up. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck, this local.
I've got the run.
Why am I looking back? There's nothing there. Is that a cop? I think that's a cop. Is there a police officer over there? I'm pretty sure that's a cop.
Oh, it is. It is. Yeah, it is.
I think I'm right here.
Yeah, it's fine. We're going off. When
Don't
you
fall
said it,
from the
I
bridge.
fucking slowed down.
What?
When you said it, I slowed down. Oh, he's gonna. Okay, this is tight. I'm gonna have to let you go because you're a fucking nut.
Dude, I was drifting every corner until you caught up. So
Yeah, I saw ya.
oh no!
Inside line, inside line.
This is fun.
Fuck.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh,
Oh
yeah.
shit! Ah.
Come on. Fucking hell.
I got it out of my GoPro too. Oh my god!
Jesus, you just fucking run over him.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Right, back to the yard before we fucking kill anyone.
I hope there's somebody here. Let's hope there's no police. We are fucking maniacs, man. What the fuck?
That was pretty insane going down that long first bit.
Oh yeah, that's the
Fucking
worst part of
Jesus.
pizza. Okay, okay. Watch the drift. Hell yeah!
Hey!